Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinkin. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin broke another record. Actually, the biggest daily gain in US dollar happened on the 11th of November. Then we will move on and talk about that there's another record. The crypto market cap reached a new high over 3.1 trillion US dollars, so higher than it was at the peak of the bull market back in November 2021. Then we have Senator Lummis saying that we can pass the Bitcoin Act in the first 100 days of the Trump administration. So actually not we don't have to wait that long for that, maybe. And then Bitcoin flips silver again by market cap. And finally, also, let's talk about the altcoin market, because we can see Bitcoin moving, but what's happening here with the altcoin. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now, let's do it. Okay, and when we check Bitcoin price, we can see that Bitcoin is actually 4% up in the last 24 hours with this 85,400 US dollar at the moment. Ethereum 2.4 up, 3,228 US dollar. The top gainer, EOS, almost 30% up, Doge 21%, and Kronos 14%. Losers, Radium down almost 20%, Caspa 12%, and ENA 10%. So we can see that there are some little corrections here and there happening. Even when we're looking at the Bitcoin price, we have reached today, so far, the all-time high is almost 90,000, 89,993 US dollar. So, guys, if 9,000, then we are just 10,000, or we were about 10,000 from 100,000. What a milestone that will be. But of course, you know, look at these numbers here and these candles, bang, bang, bang. And this one here, let's talk about this one, because this is another record. So if you're looking at that candle I just showed you here, you know, Bitcoin record because it was the biggest daily gain in history. And here it's broken down on the 11th of November, which was actually yesterday. You know, the opening was at 80,427 US dollar, and the closing was 88,770 US dollar, and the daily move was 8,343 US dollar. And this is number one now, because the previous one was back in 2021 in August, when we could see a $7,576 move. But this is so far the biggest. So this candle here, this one, it's a giant candle, and not far, to be honest with you, from a $10,000 move. And who knows, maybe that will also come up one day. You know, every record will be broken. Yeah, so I think this is also historical. Another historical thing is crypto's market cap. So when we're looking at the crypto market's market cap, you know, it has reached also a new all-time high, reaching 3.12 trillion US dollar. And this is actually higher what the previous record, which was set back in November 2021. So almost, guys, exactly 3 years ago. And now the whole crypto market is also booming. Yes, Bitcoin is the leader. Altcoins are kind of catching up, but all together, they go up very, very nicely. And okay, right now we went down a little bit. So Bitcoin is here at 1.7 trillion US dollar. But yeah, we were higher because, you know, Bitcoin price was, as I said, almost 90,000 US dollar. Right. Okay, so this was this one. Let's move on to the next topic. And the next topic is all about that in the first 100 days of the Trump administration, the Bitcoin Act could pass, according to Senator Cynthia Lummis. This could be major if this is actually happening. So, you know, we have the Bitcoin Act, and Senator Lummis, she's saying that in the first 100 days of the Trump administration, it could pass. And, you know, the Bitcoin Act will allow US government to buy 1 million Bitcoin over 5 years period. So it's just imagine if they really start to do this, this definitely will, you know, push Bitcoin price up, and they will do it in over 5 years time. So not just in so quickly, and once they don't even have to, I believe, the money for that. Anyway, in long term, it could be important. So they will have a strategic reserve also in Bitcoin, not just in gold, what they have right now. Okay. Next topic, the next one, it's all about the Bitcoin flips, you know, silver again. And of course, after, you know, when Bitcoin price drops a little bit, maybe the market cap drops as well, and then silver flips again. Anyway, when we're looking at here now, we can see that Bitcoin's market cap 1.75 trillion US dollar, while silver's market cap is here. So basically, at the moment, but you know, it can, you know, go back and forth until they pretty close to each other. But then, you know, if Bitcoin starts to go towards 100,000 US dollar and even above by time, you know, this will continue and will catching up, and probably sooner or later taking over Saudi Aramco as well. But yeah, so this happened too. And finally, let's talk about the altcoin market. So what we can see, and first let's go to this one here. Give me a second, please. Right here. So when we're looking at the altcoins, you know, we can see that Bitcoin dominance actually is coming back, which means Bitcoin is now stronger. When we're looking at altcoins, so not including Ethereum and actually obviously not Bitcoin, then we see a price, a drop here in the market cap. When we're looking at the, you know, little altcoins, which is basically out of the top 10, then we can see it's even a bigger drop in the market cap right now. So the little altcoins, especially little ones, they're not really catching up yet. The whole altcoin market is also, you know, a little bit away. So right now, Bitcoin dominance is the one which is strong, and right now Bitcoin price is the one which is going up. But it's always like this, and usually by time when Bitcoin a little bit slows down, altcoins are catching up. But now Bitcoin is the one in the lead. And also here, let me refresh this page as well. Yeah, we are already at 33. So guess what? When we're looking at, is it Bitcoin or is it altcoin season? And we're very, very close to Bitcoin season. Under 25 is Bitcoin season, obviously. And at 33, we are very close to it. Above 75 is altcoin season. But guys, it's always up and down, up and down. So after Bitcoin season, altcoin season is coming. After altcoin season, Bitcoin season is coming. So even though we have seen altcoins going up very nicely, some of them, we are not even close to the altcoin season. But we could say that maybe it's about to start. So I think this is important, and keep an eye on it. Guys, if you would like to keep yourself also up to date, then very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to bring you the freshest information every single day, short videos, longer videos, so you will stay up to date. That's very important. Also, if you like it, definitely hit the like button, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.